State Patrol be calling.
What happened to love thy neighbor?
You real piece of
Hypocrite.
You
Love
are.
thy neighbor. Alright folks, I got a bit of an interesting video here today. So I live next door to a church. This is the church driveway right here. Alright. Across the street from my house is a gas station. This is where I live. And I'm standing here, right in this area, waiting to cross the road to go over to the gas station here. This fella in a white truck, I want to say it was a GM, I'd have to look back at the video. He's sitting right here and we're both watching the traffic come through, waiting our turn. And he pulls up to me and he goes, "Hey, do you live here?" And I says, "Yeah." I figured he was going to ask for some directions or something like that, you know what I mean? And he whips out his phone real quick and says, "Good," or something like that, you know, and he starts videoing me. So I was caught off guard, so I hurry up and try to whip out my phone. And my first video part, I got 5 seconds. And then he tried driving off real quick, and then I noticed my phone wasn't on, so I had to restart it again because I hit the stop button on accident, fumbling with things. And I got a good video of him. And he said, I don't know where he come from or why he stopped here to do this, but he says, "I'm calling the troopers on you." Threatened to have armed men with guns come and apparently assault me or something. Well, come to find out, the guy is affiliated with the church over here. He's from Ohio. He don't even live here in this community. Comes here, threatens to have armed men with guns and stuff come and get me. And of course, nobody ever showed up. I'm assuming he don't like my content, my videos and stuff like that. So yesterday, which would be the 24th of August, they had a little evening gathering here. So I got excuse me. So I got some video of him leaving that, and I was standing over here, right up here at the corner at that there's a stop sign right up here. Where's it at? Right over here, that stop sign. I was standing over there waiting for him to come out of this drive so I could get it, you know, video him driving off. You know, if you want to have camera wars, we can do camera wars. I'm game. And so he drove by, didn't say nothing, him and his buddy. So today being Sunday, I wanted to come and get some video of him leaving again, you know, and make a little video out of this guy. Well, then he assaults me with his truck. He didn't assault and battery me. He assaults me. I'm standing over here. You'll see in the video. I'm standing over here. And you can see these signs. This is where they come out. This is where they come out of the church here. Alright. He drives between these signs. Drives way over here. Let me go over here and show you. He drives way over here, as you'll see in the video. I'm standing right here. You can still see my footprints. And you can see his prints in the sand right there. Comes between these, and then drives right at me, and then attempts to push me off where I'm standing with his truck, and then he proceeds to call me names. So I'm going to show you all that in this video. So make sure... So I'm going to show all that in this video. I'm going to do it in a chronological order. So he went and got himself audited. He got himself audited, this church audited, and he made this church look bad. So I hope you enjoy the video. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button. Like, share, subscribe. All that good jazz. And I hope you enjoy. And if I get any more video of this clown, I'll make sure to post that too.
State Patrol be calling.
Fucking weirdos. There he is. Found him. Nice stop. Nice rolling stop. That's him right there. That's him.
You're a real piece of shit.
What happened to love thy neighbor?
You're a real piece of shit.
You're a hypocrite.
You
Love
are.
thy neighbor.
No, you are. Yeah,
Love thy neighbor. This is the church people. They love their neighbors. See that? I'm standing right here. This dude purposely comes right through here, gonna try pushing me off my spot. Holy cow. Hypocrites. Love thy neighbor. Yeah, there you go. That's how they really are. And with that, Big Mike's out. Peace.